how to edit navigation bar in Squarespace. So first, go to your Squarespace website. Next is if you want to edit these things here at the top, just click on edit. Okay, next just click hover your mouse over this, then just click on edit site header. Next is click on this one, navigation, click on the pencil icon. Now next, if you want to rearrange these things, just drag and drop here. So let's say I want to add my shop the second place here. Now it will rearrange itself. Now let's say I want to add my about at the last. Okay, as you can see, all of them are rearranged. So after that, just click on save. So okay, now click on exit. So if you want to add new pages here at the top, just click on pages. Okay, as you can see, this is the main navigation. This one, just click on the plus icon, then you can add things here. So let's say I want to add blank page, click on it, and it will add itself here. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.